Hi, my name is Kimberly Wah. About a year ago, I felt like I was not completely all together. There were parts of my life that I felt like could come into form more. But more importantly, I felt like that I myself could use some type of restructuring or reforming. It wasn't until a few months ago that I found out that I had diastasis recti, which means that the abdomen muscles, the transversus abdominis in particular, never went back all the way together after I had had our 4 children. So immediately I dove into study and started to learn more about the anatomy of the breath and the function of all of the muscles that go into creating a container for the organs of the body that are responsible for creating stability for the whole structure of who we are. And I've began practicing and really working on a more intimate level than I had ever before in my 20 years of practicing and teaching yoga. So I'm contacting you because I am so excited about the ability to bring back all parts of myself, and I want to share this breathing technique that I've been using and the isometric and isotonic movements to rebuild and re-knit the fascia and the muscular fibers, as well as to create I have also been creating a new alignment or reorganizing the disc in my spine so that the framework of the skeletal system is in a position so that it's conducive for the reforming or the reknitting of the muscular fibers. So let me know if you're interested. I'd love to share this insight and my work with your teachers as well as with the members of your community. I'd be happy to set up a Skype call to speak with you more or even meet in person. I'll post my email address as well as my contact information if you'd like to set up a call. Thanks for taking time to listen to this message. I hope we can work together to create an alliance where people are supported and empowered and connected to what is deep within them.